I am joined here by the wonderful Vantika Agarwal. Vantika, what a performance today at the Tata Steel Chess India Blitz. It went all the way through the tie breaks, and you came very close, but it did not go your way. Tell us about the day today.
Yeah, it was interesting. I think I didn't start quite well, but then I won the last four games in a row. I won against Yip Teresa,
Yes.
Stravula, Lagno, Rakshita. So I think it ended well except the tiebreaks.
Yes, I think that was especially very interesting to me that you had such a tough start with a draw and two losses, and then you
Yeah.
came back with this series of wins.
Yeah.
Like, how was that?
Yeah, I think I wanted to play well and manage my time well. And when I stopped thinking about the result, that's when I started winning. Earlier, I was feeling a bit pressured and all, but I think next games I was just enjoying the game, and that's how I just kept on winning the games.
Would you say Blitz is one of your favorite formats among the three?
Yeah, of course. I think I enjoy playing Blitz, except sometimes the results don't go my way, but I think I just love it. The 3+1, 3+2 format.
Yeah, and I was seeing actually from the crowd, you were so intense during all the games, so focused. Of course, it all comes down to the seconds.
Yeah,
Tell us about that 18th round game, which was actually very critical. You
yeah,
defeated Lano,
yeah.
and then I guess Divya did her job. She beat Karisa.
Yeah,
Uh,
she drew with Karisa.
yeah, yes, exactly. She grew with Karisa, and like how was that game, especially against Lano?
Yeah, I think it was interesting. So I castled on the short side. She castled on the long side, and my pieces were coming. I was having a very strong attack, and I think at some point I could have sacrificed my knight maybe on B2, A3, and then I got a bit low on time, and it got tricky. She was also having a mating attack on my king, me too, and then finally I was the one who ended up mating her.
Yeah, it was a crazy game indeed. But again, once it was over, it was almost already clear that you will play the tiebreaks against Karisa. How did you approach the tiebreaks, and tell us a bit about both the games?
Yeah, I think the first game, especially, I had an opening advantage, but then I made some not so great moves, and then my position just got very unpleasant, and then it was very hard to come back. And then in the second game, it was Alpin, and I tried my best. I had sacrificed a pawn, I had some activity for that, and then eventually we went into this knight versus bishop endgame, and actually, I even had some winning chances in that endgame which I missed. So somewhere I played a6, there I had to play king c6, and then I can probably come and take that c5 pawn, or my king could come to b5. And if she goes to take the a7 pawn, then her king will be very far. But I played a6, and then it was a draw because she got king a5, king a6. Yeah, but I think I tried my best, but in the second game at least, but it didn't go my way.
Yeah, I mean you fought very well. Even that which like should be an equal position, the bishop and 3 points versus knight and 3 points. You kept on playing, trying to push for a win. And then I saw that the arbiter was called for a moment. What happened there?
So she claimed a draw for 50 moves, but 50 moves were not completed. It was only 45 moves there. So that's why 1 minute got added to my clock. But of course, in that position, she
Like,
played 5, 6 more moves, and yeah, we agreed to a draw.
like even the extra minute could not help much there, I
Yeah.
guess. But what a great performance, and your best performance, I think, in Tata Steel Chess India so far, 100%.
Yeah, for sure. Tying for the first place and playing the tie breaks. And actually, interestingly, I won against Karisa in both the Blitz games
Exactly,
in
that's what I
the
noticed.
tournaments.
Psychologically, maybe also you had sort of an edge. But in tiebreaks, of course,
Yeah,
everything is
anything can
different.
happen, especially in Blitz.
And in Blitz, I noticed that you have played so many good games. In fact, the number of draws is very less for you.
Yeah,
Most it is either loss or wins for you.
yeah.
If you have to pick one game out of these 18 Blitz games, which is a lot, which would that be? And maybe you can tell us a bit about that game.
Okay. Actually, I like so many of the games. Uh, I think, I mean, I liked. So on today's day, I think against Carissa, it was a very interesting game. I think we both were playing quite well, and then in the end, just the last moment, I got my pawn, and I think she missed G2, and that's when I went won that game. But I think that game was overall very interesting. It was a night of opening, very complex. And yesterday, I think I won 3 games against Vaishali, Divya, and Karisa.
Yes.
I think my game against Divya was also quite nice. I got a attack on the king side, and then she missed tactics with rook b5 there. So yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, that one actually was very nice. I do remember that. And in Rapid also you played quite well, but of course Blitz went even better. Maybe some games on the Rapid which was
Yeah, I
particularly
think the
memorable.
first day was especially good. I won 2 games with Vaishali and Harika. I think both the games were quite good. With Vaishali also, I got a slow positional advantage, and then I won exchange and then converted that. And with Harika also, I think that was quite good. I sacrificed a pawn, but my pawns on b4, c4, d4 in the center, they were quite strong, and then I eventually won an exchange, and I think that was quite nice.
That was indeed very nice. And Vantika, how did you enjoy your time here in Kolkata? We see that you traveled with your mom, Sangeeta ji, and how was it overall playing this very strong Rapid and Blitz event?
Yeah, I enjoy coming to Tata Steel in Kolkata every time. First of all, the organizers, the playing venue, so many fans cheering for us, and then the hotel we are staying in Taj, and I'm a vegetarian and getting so many lavish every day. It's just a treat, and playing against so many top players from India and around the world. So I think it's just an amazing experience, and I love to come back again here. And I think I came with my mom, and on the first 2 3 days my brother was also here. So
Yes, yes, I saw him actually in the first day. I remember in the opening ceremony he was there,
yeah,
right?
yeah, it was so much fun.
What does your brother do? Like, is he also a chess player or?
He plays chess also, but he's more of a casual player. Now he's working in US.
I see.
He did his masters in AI. There.
That's great to know, and such a wonderful performance here. And Vantika, how did you feel overall was your Rapid and Blitz play in this tournament? Just before this, you also played in Doha in
Yeah.
the World Rapid and Blitz Championships. With so many Rapid and Blitz events happening in the calendar now, all across the world actually, do you think it is something which has increased in importance for you, or is the main focus still classical chess?
I think the main focus is still classical, but now I'm paying much more attention to this rapid and blitz, and I think we have to work more towards these skills also, because earlier we were like only playing. I used to only play classical, but now I think I have to train these skills also more, playing these fast formats. And I think last 2 3 years, these formats like this World Rapid and Blitz teams
Yes.
and so many other rapid and blitz has gotten much more popular, so I think everyone should try to improve these skills.
And about the fans in Kolkata, maybe a few words for them because they were there every day to take your autograph, take photos with you. How was that experience?
Yeah, it was so lovely, so many fans cheering for all of us, and if possible I would have loved to sign autograph and give all of them photos, but yeah, it was just not possible. But I'm so glad that they were here to support, and I even heard that some even they missed their board exams, like they were
Yes.
coming for. So I think it's just great how much fans are enjoying in Kolkata watching chess, and I hope that they continue to cheer for us.
And one thing I would like to end the interview with an incident which happened actually. This was in your Blitz game against Harika on the first day. And there was an arbiter called on the board, and we didn't quite understand what happened. Maybe you can take us through what actually happened on the board.
So with my game against Harika, it was, I think maybe she was fighting for an advantage. She was repeating, and then she flagged, and then but I did not notice that she had flagged, and then she kept on playing, and after 2 3 moves, we were repeating, and then she offered me a draw, and I still didn't see the clock, and then I accepted the draw, and then when I just looked at the clock after accepting. I saw that she had flagged, and then I called the arbiter to ask like that when she had already flagged, and after that like I'm accepting the draw. So then he explained to me that when you see, like, you have to notice it first. So because I did not realize that she had flagged and accepted, so it will be considered a draw, and then yeah, that's what happened.
I see. I did not understand the complete story behind this. So basically, she flagged before she had made the draw offer.
Yeah. So I think she saw that she had flagged, but I think that was the last try to, because if we keep on playing, I think at some point I'd realize that she has flagged, but I didn't realize and I accepted the draw. So
I see. Thank you so much, Mantika, for clearing that, for clearing up that episode for us. And once again, huge congratulations
thank
on your
you.
amazing play here in Kolkata, and wish to see you back soon.
Thank you so much.